and there's a pit here in the front. So the house drains into a pit, and it's a forced main. It forces it up to the community septic tank or step system. So this is a pump down in there. It's a grinder pump. So when matter goes down the drain and paper, it gets into there, it's ground up and it's pumped up. If something goes down it that's not supposed to be down it, like feminine products, it can jam it, and we have to come out here. We pull. It's an expensive repair. You got to pull the lid off of it. You got to pull the pump completely out, get it unjammed if it isn't already burnt up, and so it's very important that that stuff is not allowed to go down the drain. Anything that's not waste or paper should never go down the drain. The cloth wipes that they sell, any of that stuff, all goes in the trash can. Does not go in the drain.
And Bobby, I know you had mentioned earlier, even if it says flushable, it's not technically flushable.
Correct.
Right?
They say flushable in a lot of stuff. A lot of those flushable wipes, it says that is the main cause of stoppages is in people flushing. Daycare centers, hospitals, you name it, they're flushing that stuff that says it's flushable to go down the drain. It's not flushable.
That's good to know.